You finish journaling, enveloped in a comforting silence, reflecting on how each moment today has intertwined with your aspirations. The world outside seems to encourage you to step fully into your potential, and you feel an electric charge coursing through your veins. Gently, you set your coffee mug down, allowing the warmth to linger in your hands just a moment longer before slipping it back onto the table. With a deep breath, you gather your belongings, feeling the weight of your journal, a collection of ideas and intentions, reminding you of your commitment. You can almost hear the whispers of encouragement from your mentor and accountability partner, urging you onward. As you prepare to leave the coffee shop, you take a final glance at your journal, its pages filled with dreams and plans waiting to be realized. With each step outside, you can feel the energy of the neighborhood buzzing around you, reminding you that every encounter holds a lesson. You walk with purpose, the goal of the day in your mind, excited about what unfolds. The sun shines brightly overhead, painting your path with golden light, and you can't help but smile, feeling a profound connection to everything and everyone around you. Embracing the day ahead, you know that each moment counts on this beautiful journey of growth and exploration. You venture down the lively streets, the rhythm of the city pulsing around you as you make your way to your first destination. The air is filled with the sound of laughter and chatter, the essence of community intertwining with your sense of purpose. As you pass by a local park, you spot a group of children playing, their joy infectious, sparking a smile on your face. You pause for a moment, soaking in the sight, and let it remind you of the importance of play and lightness in the journey of achieving your dreams. With renewed energy, you continue walking, planning to meet a friend whose perspective often sheds new light on your projects. Each step you take feels deliberate, bridging the gap between your present and the life you envision for yourself. The vibrant energy of the day fills you with optimism, and you can already sense the conversations and connections waiting to unfold, each one a thread in the tapestry of your journey. As you approach the meeting spot, anticipation builds within you, and you ready yourself to share, collaborate, and grow together. As you arrive at the designated spot, you find your friend already seated outside, radiating warmth akin to the sun's embrace. You exchange greetings, the familiar bond sparking immediate ease between you. Sitting down, you dive into discussions about your current projects, their insightful questions prompting you to think deeply about your approach. Each moment feels like a dance of ideas, fostering creativity that enhances both your visions. You listen intently, taking mental notes, and you can feel the energy shifting as the conversation unfolds, each exchange reinforcing the importance of collaboration in your journey. As the conversation flows, your friend shares a recent experience that brought new clarity to their own work, and your ears perk up, captivated by their story. You find yourself leaning in closer, absorbing every detail as they articulate the challenges faced and solutions discovered. This exchange not only fuels your own inspiration, but also solidifies the unbreakable bond you share. Two creators entwined in a shared quest for growth. With each anecdote, you're reminded of the beauty inherent in sharing journeys. The warmth of understanding envelops you both, reinforcing the notion that collaboration often leads to breakthroughs. After a spirited discussion, you decide to explore potential ideas together, merging your visions into an exciting new concept. The spark ignites as you brainstorm, your ideas dancing together in a harmonious blend of creativity and possibility. Each suggestion builds on the last, and before long, you find yourselves sketching outlines on napkins, driven by the excitement of innovation. The surrounding sounds of the bustling cafe fade into the background as your focus sharpens, the world outside becoming a mere backdrop to your evolving collaboration. With laughter punctuating your conversation, you celebrate the complementary nature of your minds, two adventures intersecting to forge something uniquely powerful. As your session concludes, you both make a pact to take action on your ideas, excited to nurture this newfound project together. You share a grateful smile, aware that this moment will continue to inspire you long after you part ways, watching eagerly as your ambitions intertwine with the energy blossoming in your community. As you gather your things, the excitement of your collaboration lingers in the air, and you feel an overwhelming sense of possibility. Your friend offers a warm hug, their encouragement echoing in your mind as you step back onto the vibrant street. With each stride, you reflect on the fruitful exchange, knowing that this tender moment of camaraderie has sown the seeds for something remarkable. The world seems to shine a little brighter, the colors more vivid, igniting your creativity and propelling you toward the next chapter of your journey. As you make your way to your next destination, the rhythm of city life surrounds you, fueling your aspirations with its lively beat, and you can't help but revel in the connections that inspire your path forward. You arrive at a local art exhibit, its entrance adorned with vibrant colors that beckon like a siren song. As you step inside, the kaleidoscope of creativity envelops you, each piece urging you to pause and ponder. You explore the gallery, allowing your imagination to roam freely, drawing inspiration from the brushstrokes and stories captured within each frame. The air hums with the energy of fellow art lovers, and your heart swells with gratitude for the collective appreciation of creativity that surrounds you. It's here, amidst the splashes of color and emotive forms, that you feel a deeper connection to your artistic essence, reigniting the fire within you to create boldly. You wander through the exhibit, each artwork evoking emotions that stir your creative spirit. Pausing in front of a striking piece, you let the colors wash over you, imagining how the artist infused their vision into every brushstroke. It's as if each canvas is a dialogue, speaking to you in a language only your heart understands. You jot down your thoughts about the pieces that resonate most, capturing your inspirations for future projects. As you move from one artwork to the next, you engage in conversations with fellow attendees, each exchange deepening your understanding of art's transformative power. You can't help but admire the connection formed when two minds share interpretations, showing how creativity expands in shared spaces. These interactions invigorate your passion for collaboration, reigniting your commitment to cultivate your artistic expression moving forward. Stepping back outside, you feel a rush of invigorating breeze against your skin, a reminder of the vibrant world beyond the gallery walls. You take a moment to savor the essence of the day, feeling astounded by the blend of inspiration and insight you've gathered. With a heart brimming with gratitude, you pull out your journal again, eager to document reflections from the art exhibit and your recent conversations. Each word written acts as a brushstroke that will enhance the canvas of your journey, capturing the essence of this unfolding narrative. Turning the pages, you revisit previous notes, connecting dots and building on ideas previously generated, solidifying a deeper understanding of your creative vision. As you immerse yourself in the pages of your journal, ideas begin to converge, shaping the outline of your next project. The excitement of melding inspiration with action fills you with urgency, compelling you to solidify your commitment. You seal your journal with purpose, knowing each reflection is a seed sown for future growth. Stepping back into the vibrant world, you embrace the challenges ahead, ready to take each opportunity as a chance to evolve. Guided by newfound clarity, you embark on this next chapter, empowered by the day's experiences.